Only one can.
Reaching your heart, the sound of life. Reach Out Church is hosting a children's fishing derby. It's all happening on Saturday, May 1st from 8 to 11 a.m.
Oh, fishing derby.
Church on Crum Elbow Road in Hyde Park for kids 12 and under. Free food and drinks will be available all morning long. For more info, you can email them reachout@reachoutchurch.com.
The sound of life. Your Sound of Life regional weather.